the Cold Stove Girl, and I'm back with another breakfast video. So it's chicken liver with fried dumpling and fried ripe plantain. So after I clean and wash the liver, I season it with little Maggi chicken, Maggi all-purpose, little jerk seasoning, some black pepper, piece of garlic, and scotch bonnet, of course. Allow the sugar to caramelize before adding the liver. In other words, make the sugar start burn before you add the liver, okay? You can use browning instead if you don't want to use the sugar. It's up to you. I'm no expert in the dumpling department, but a girl is trying. Yeah, I'm trying. I tried something new and I'm using coconut milk to knead my flour, and man, not tell no lie. The coconut milk give the dumpling them a buzz. Yeah, you need to try it. Please do remember to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment now. Tell me what you think. Until next time, walk good.